Okay, in this clip we're going to be looking at speak functionality once again, but this time we're going to be looking at recording our own voice and patch it into the character using the voice recorder here that's in the multimedia tab. So clicking on the voice recorder brings up the control panel. Now some of these settings in here are going to be different on your computer, so you may need to fiddle around a little bit to get the right setting to get a recording happening. One thing I must say though, before you get to the voice recorder, it's a must that you actually plug in your microphone before starting Marvin, otherwise Marvin won't actually find the microphone, so just keep that in mind. Next to the input and the input device and input channels, we have a volume slider. Now this is the record volume, so you may need to increase it or decrease it depending on what sort of microphone you have or how far away from the microphone you are. What's going to happen when I press start recording, we're going to get a visualization of my voice being recorded, and what we're after something that's actually quite sort of up and down, I guess is the best way to say it. So lots of peaks and troughs, because that controls the mouth opening and closing. Okay, so obviously the higher the peak, the more the mouth opens, the lower the trough, the more the mouth closes. So if you get a really good recording, it should look quite good. If you get a bad recording, well, you can get some really interesting effects, especially with background noise. Really, it's a must to have a place to record where there's very little background noise. Otherwise, you're going to get sort of the mouth chattering away, and you probably don't want that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press start recording, and I'm just going to basically say, "Hi, I'm Kakapo." Very, very simple. And then I'm going to press stop recording. Okay, so here we go. Hi, I'm Kakapo. Stop recording. So we now have that actually captured. I can press play. Hi, I'm Kakapo. And I can hear it through my system. That's nice and clear. It's lovely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press save as file. Okay, that will bring up anywhere you need to save it. For this, I'm just going to put it onto the desktop so it's easy to find. And I'm just going to call it intro, maybe just 1 or something like that, and press OK. Alright, so that's saved it to my desktop. Now, once we have that saved, I need to go back into the speak tab. So in the generals tab, speak functionality. This time, instead of using the normal like we did last time with the text to speech, I'm going to press the radio button next to the wave option. And in here, what we can do is we can now browse for the file that we've just created. So to the desktop, here's intro 1, and press open. Okay, so now that is actually loaded in. If I click on my character and press speak. Hi, I'm Kakapo. There you go. So you can see how easy it is once you've actually done your recording to patch it into the character. Obviously I'm quite happy with that, so I can press add, and we now have a reference to that WAV file. Okay, so just move my character out of the way just to make this a little bit more interesting. I'm going to actually give him a talk pose. Great. Okay, now once again the talk pose needs to be above the speech file, whether it's text to speech or the WAV file. So I'll just press up on the green up arrow, and if I press play now. Hi, I'm Kakapo. Lovely. Okay, so you can see how easy it is to load the voice in. Obviously you can have multiple voices, multiple characters, or multiple WAV files in general, so you can build up your script very, very quickly.